撒迦利亞書第14章。
Zechariah chapter 14.
耶和華的日子臨近，你的財物必被搶掠，在你中間分散。
Behold, the day of the Lord is coming, and your spoil will be divided in your midst.
因為我必聚集萬國與耶路撒冷爭戰，城必被攻取，房屋被搶奪，婦女被玷污，城中的民一半被擄去，剩下的民仍在城中，不致剪除。
For I will gather all the nations to battle against Jerusalem. The city shall be taken, the houses rivaled, and the women ravished. Half of the city shall go into captivity, but the remnant of the people shall not be cut off from the city.
那時，耶和華必出去與那些國爭戰，好像從前爭戰一樣。
Then the Lord will go forth and fight against those nations as he fights in the day of battle.
那日，他的腳必站在耶路撒冷前面朝東的橄欖山上，這山必從中間分裂，自東至西成為極大的谷，山的一半向北挪移，一半向南挪移。
And in that day his feet will stand on the Mount of Olives, which faces Jerusalem on the east. And the Mount of Olives shall be split in two, from east to west, making a very large valley. Half of the mountain shall move toward the north, and half of it toward the south.
你們要從我山的谷中逃跑，因為山谷必延到亞撒。你們逃跑，必如猶大王烏西雅年間的人逃避大地震一樣。耶和華我的神必降臨，有一切聖者同來。
Then you shall flee through my mountain valley, for the mountain valley shall reach to Azal. Yes, you shall flee as you fled from the earthquake in the days of Uzziah king of Judah. Thus the Lord my God will come, and all the saints with you.
那日必沒有光，三光必退縮。
It shall come to pass in that day that there will be no light. The lights will diminish.
那日必是耶和華所知道的，不是白晝，也不是黑夜，到了晚上才有光明。
It shall be one day which is known to the Lord, neither day nor night, but at evening time it shall happen that it will be light.
那日必有活水從耶路撒冷出來，一半往東海流，一半往西海流，冬夏都是如此。
And in that day it shall be that living waters shall flow from Jerusalem, half of them toward the eastern sea, and half of them toward the western sea. In both summer and winter it shall occur.
耶和華必作全地的王，那日耶和華必為獨一無二的，他的名也是獨一無二的。
And the Lord shall be king over all the earth. In that day it shall be, the Lord is one, and his name one.
全地從加巴直到耶路撒冷南方的臨門，要變為阿拉巴。耶路撒冷必仍居高位，就是從便雅憫門到第一門之處，又到角門，並從哈南葉流，直到王的酒榨。
All the land shall be turned into a plain from Geba to Rimmon, south of Jerusalem. Jerusalem shall be raised up and inhabited in her place from Benjamin's gate to the place of the first gate and the corner gate, and from the tower of Hananel to the king's winepresses.
人必住在其中，不再有咒詛。耶路撒冷人必安然居住。
The people shall dwell in it, and no longer shall there be utter destruction. But Jerusalem shall be safely inhabited.
耶和華用災殃攻擊那與耶路撒冷爭戰的列國人，必是這樣。他們兩腳站立的時候，肉必消沒，眼在康中乾癟，舌在口中潰爛。
And this shall be the plague with which the Lord will strike all the people who fought against Jerusalem. Their flesh shall dissolve while they stand on their feet. Their eyes shall dissolve in their sockets, and their tongues shall dissolve in their mouths.
那日，耶和華必使他們大大擾亂，他們各人彼此揪住，舉手攻擊。
It shall come to pass in that day that a great panic from the Lord will be among them. Everyone will seize the hand of his neighbor, and raise his hand against his neighbor's hand.
猶大也必在耶路撒冷爭戰，那時四圍各國的財物 就是許多金銀衣服必被收聚。
Judah also will fight at Jerusalem, and the wealth of all the surrounding nations shall be gathered together, gold, silver, and apparel in great abundance.
那臨到馬匹、驢子、駱駝、驢和營中一切牲畜的災殃，是與那災殃一般。
Such also shall be the plague on the horse and the mule, on the camel and the donkey, and on all the cattle that will be in those camps, so shall this plague be.
所有來攻擊耶路撒冷列國中剩下的人，必年年上來敬拜大君王萬軍之耶和華，並守住棚節。
And it shall come to pass that every one who is left of all the nations which came against Jerusalem shall go up from year to year to worship the King, the Lord of hosts, and to keep the Feast of Tabernacles.
地上萬族中，凡不上耶路撒冷敬拜大君王萬軍之耶和華的，必無雨降在他們的地上。
And it shall be that whichever of the families of the earth do not come up to Jerusalem to worship the King, the Lord of hosts, on them there will be no rain.
埃及族若不上來，雨也不降在他們的地上。凡不上來守住棚節的列國人，耶和華也必用這災攻擊他們。
If the family of Egypt will not come up and enter in, they shall have no rain. They shall receive the plague with which the Lord strikes the nations who do not come up to keep the Feast of Tabernacles.
這就是埃及的刑罰和那不上來守住棚節之列國的刑罰。
This shall be the punishment of Egypt and the punishment of all the nations that do not come up to keep the Feast of Tabernacles.
當那日，晚的鈴鐺上必有歸耶和華為聖的這句話。耶和華殿內的鍋必如祭壇前的碗一樣。
In that day, holiness to the Lord shall be engraved on the bells of the horses. The pots in the Lord's house shall be like the bowls before the altar.
凡耶路撒冷和猶大的鍋都必歸萬軍之耶和華為聖。凡獻祭的都必來取這鍋，煮肉在其中。當那日，在萬軍之耶和華的殿中必不再有迦南人。
Yes, every pot in Jerusalem and Judah shall be holiness to the Lord of hosts. Everyone who sacrifices shall come and take them and cook in them. In that day there shall no longer be a Canaanite in the house of the Lord of hosts.